Are you struggling to build a feature-rich e-wallet or digital store application from the ground up? The complexities of development, high costs, and lengthy timelines can be incredibly frustrating. You need a powerful, elegant, and ready-to-launch solution that meets modern user demands. Introducing Bungalion, the ultimate Flutter eWallet and digital store app template. Bungalion offers you an all-in-one platform to quickly establish your digital presence and empower your users. With Bungalion's e-wallet functionality, managing finances is effortless and secure. Users can seamlessly send, receive, withdraw, and request money using various convenient methods. Top up funds via bank transfer, credit card, or even QR code, all tracked in a detailed transaction history. Benefit from robust KYC verification, ensuring compliance and building trust within your user base. The integrated QR code scanner simplifies payments and friend additions, enhancing the user experience. Beyond payments, Bungalion empowers you to launch a thriving digital product marketplace. Sell ebooks, software, digital art, and any other digital good with a dedicated store section. Each product features comprehensive details, categories, and an intuitive add-to-cart and checkout process. Users can effortlessly track their orders from purchase to delivery, keeping them engaged and informed. A powerful search function and clear categorization make discovering new products a breeze. Bungalion is engineered with Flutter, guaranteeing a smooth, beautiful cross-platform experience on both iOS and Android. It includes a robust Laravel 11 API backend and a comprehensive admin panel for complete control over your platform. Support multi-language, including RTL layouts, and offer a stylish dark mode option to cater to all preferences. Engage your audience further with push notifications and a built-in referral system to drive growth. Stop rebuilding the wheel and accelerate your app launch with Bungalion. Everything you need for a professional, high-performance e-wallet and digital store is right here. Don't wait to innovate. Get Bungalion today and find the link in the description below.